Today's lesson is create your own weekly market commentary. This means that after every end of the trading week, you analyze your favorite markets and write down your analysis. I personally use daily and weekly chart timeframes and check for the following: which support or resistance levels has the market hit? What is the dominant market trend? Are there any price action signals? Doing this every weekend will give you clarity and confidence in your trading ability. This practice will entrench your understanding of the market's dynamics and will also help you to practice applying your trading strategy, and over time, your trading skills will improve. Another amazing benefit of doing this is that it will make you an anticipatory trader. My trading mentor usually says that trading is a game of anticipation and not reaction. What this means is that to succeed in forex trading, you need to anticipate what the market will do next and not react to price movements when they happen. I have experienced these benefits in my own trading, and I'll encourage you to try it out. If you'd like to learn more, subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss out on any future videos.